In this video, I am going to show you how you can share your terminal over the local Wi-Fi or over the internet. So we will first install ttyd. As you can see, it is getting installed. As you can see, this ttyd is installed. So ttyd is installed. I will check the version. So now you can check the version. So it will show the ttyd version. So now we have to go to sudo root terminal. So I will go to sudo su. So I am in the root terminal. So if for the first time it may ask you the password. So I am in sudo root terminal. So now I will run the command ttyd -w/bin/zsh. So as you can see here, ttyd is running, and now I can show you in browser. So I will open the browser. So browser is open. So now you can see here the port 7681. So I'll just go type localhost :7681. So now you can see here I am in the terminal. So I can run any command and I can go to cd desktop. So I can do anything with this. So like this you can share to anyone. So if you want to share to other person, so you have to check the IP address. So I will check the IP address of this. So this has given me the IP address. So I will use this and I will open this browser. So you can see here the same terminal is opening. This is if you share this link to the person who is on the same Wi-Fi, so they can access your terminal on the same Wi-Fi. So now I will show you how you can share it over the internet. So first I want to show you whether it is working on the browser or not. Now you can see my screen. I have opened the Chrome browser and I have typed the IP address and I am on the same Wi-Fi, and you can see here I will zoom it. So I am able to open the terminal in my mobile phone. You can share it to anyone. So over the internet and laptop you will be able to access it. So now I will show you how you can share it over the internet. You will need the Cloudflared. You can install it. So you have to install Cloudflared. I have made another video to install Cloudflare. So I will show you. This Cloudflared is already installed in my app. So if I want to share my terminal over the internet, I have to type. So this is the Cloudflared Tunnel --URL http://localhost :7681. So this will give you the URL to share your terminal over the internet. The URL is generated. So you can see here, this is the URL. You can copy it and you can check in the browser. So you can see here I just pasted it and this will open the terminal, and here we can access it. So whatever the command you can type here and it will work for you. I will zoom it out. So this works over the internet. Same way you can share your terminal to the person you need. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.